it's going.
So, I was at the tanning salon today, and guess who was there?
Madonna.
Yes. Madonna. Madonna, 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 Madonna.
Madonna. Oh yeah, touch me for the very first time, you dirty lamb.
I ain't no dirty lamb. I'm a sheep.
You're one big dirty lamb.
Dear Mr. Royal
Hampton,
I am a white woman living in America. Yeah. You like that?
Do you love the cigs, darling? Do you love the cigs, darling? Would you like a cigarette?
I don't smoke or drink. I don't wrap my hair. I get ill from one cigarette.
What doesn't? Okay, I'm gonna go take a dump now, so Under a lover's
be
sky,
right back.
gonna be with you, and no one's gonna be around. If you think that you can fall down, we'll just wait till the sun goes down.
Jedi sheep.
Damn, Africa, how'd you get up all in them jeans, girl?
I wish my mama bought me some bling.
You remind me of little Kim in that movie.
My movie.
That movie, Grease of Lightning.
No, she won't in that movie.
She was too,
No,
Clarice.
she was in BlackAmericans.Booty.com. No.
Little Kim's Asian.
Oh, shit.
I know. I saw that on the ESPN.
Oh, shit, nigga.
I'm not a nigga. I'm a zebra. I'm a half-caste nigga, bitch. Don't come around here with your shit up in my grill, you little albino whore.
Who you calling albino, you fucking shithead? You're not the one who slept with my sister's brother's uncle last night. And now you got chlamydia. You got chlamydia. But I like chlamydia. Yeah.
What doesn't kill you, honey?
Suck it.
Remember what we said when we were at the store? What don't kill you only gives you the AIDS. The AIDS virus is coming for you, Clarice.